Disassembly and reassembly of the Sony PlayStation 1 console. Flip the console upside down. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the 6 identical screws holding the upper and lower case halves together. Detach the top cover. Disconnect the laser disc drive. Locate the disc reader assembly, the fragile laser ribbon cable on the left, and the power motor cable on the right. Disconnect the wide, flat ribbon cable from the motherboard. Unplug the plastic wiring harness connecting the PSU to the main motherboard. Take out the motherboard and EMI shields. Remove the 4 remaining screws securing this metal tin top cover to the main board. Lift off the metal plate. Remove the 4 remaining screws. You can now lift the green motherboard straight up and out, separating it from the final bottom metal shielding plate. Remove the controller port module. Remove the 2 Phillips screws securing the PSU to the bottom shell. Then, lift the power board straight up and out. Shield on the bottom. Let's take a closer look at the motherboard. Place the bottom metal shielding plate back into the lower plastic shell. Install the control port module. Reinstall the power supply board. Secure it using its 2 designated screws. Align the motherboard directly over it, ensuring the rear video and serial ports fit perfectly into the cutouts at the back of the plastic case. Secure mainboard using its 2 designated screws. Place the large top metal shield back over the motherboard. Tighten the 4 motherboard screws to secure the shield and board together. Push the port controller cable with its wide back into the provided connector on the motherboard. Plug in the plastic power harness back into the motherboard socket. Set the disk reader back into its designated rubber grommet mounts on the right side. Reattach its 2 cables to the motherboard. Lower the top plastic housing straight down onto the console. Flip it upside down and reinstall the 6 outer casing screws to complete the assembly. More info in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.